Hello students, in our previous class we have studied about different types of winds like planetary wind, periodic wind and local wind. There are different types of planetary winds like trade winds, polar winds, westerlies. Today we will study about humidity. Humidity means moisture in the atmosphere present in three states: solid, liquid and gaseous. It simply means presence of small water particles in our atmosphere. The amount of moisture present in the atmosphere varies from place to place and time to time. Moisture moves in a cyclic manner from the surface of the earth to the atmosphere and back again, which is referred to as hydrological cycle. Hydrological cycle is also known as water cycle. During this cycle, it moves through the three states of water, and the cycle comprises three processes. Three main processes are evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Humidity refers to the moisture content of the air around us, which is contingent on its temperature. It means the presence of moisture content in our air depends on the temperature. That is, when the temperature is high, humidity increases due to high rate of evaporation. Hygrometer is an instrument which is used to measure humidity. Now we will study about these three processes in detail. First is evaporation. Evaporation adds water vapor to the atmosphere in the form of moisture. Evaporation converts liquid water into a gaseous state, that is water vapor. Water vapor is also added to the atmosphere through transpiration by plants. It occurs at all temperatures and at all times and is highest in summer during the hot and dry season. The process of evaporation and the presence of water vapor in the air is high during the summer season, during hot and dry season. If the temperature of the air rises, its capacity to hold moisture increases. If it is cool, its capacity to hold moisture is reduced. So, the holding capacity of moisture is depend on the temperature of the air. The air is saturated when it holds as much moisture as it can at a given temperature. This is known as a dew point. After evaporation, next process is condensation. Condensation is the process by which water vapor in the air changed into liquid water. When the air is saturated with moisture and cools, the water vapor in the air changes into tiny droplets of water or ice crystal, which are formed around dust particles or smoke particles. This process is called condensation. Different forms of condensation are hail, morning dewdrops, rainfall, smog and snowfall. Next is precipitation. Sometimes the water droplets within clouds become too heavy to stay suspended in the air. As a result, they fall on the ground as rain, snow, hail or sleet. These are all varied forms of precipitation. The instrument used to measure precipitation is called rain gauge. Rainfall is the most common form of precipitation. The three major kinds of precipitation are relief, convectional and cyclonic.